Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making ring donuts. This is a very simple donut recipe you would have to try out at home with a few ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Ingredients for today's donuts include 400 grams of butter, 5 room temperature eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 400 grams of white sugar, and 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We will also be using a donut machine, and for our mixing today we'll be using a stand mixer. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, I'll cream the butter and the sugar together until very light and fluffy, and that is for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that, I'll scrape the sides and then move on to adding the eggs in one at a time, and that will be mixed for 2 minutes best for each egg addition into the butter and sugar mixture. When the mixture becomes light, airy and fluffy, add in the vanilla essence and then combine as well. Since we don't want to overmix the butter, we are going to continue the rest of the mixing by hand. So I'll take the mixing bowl out of the stand mixer and then introduce into it the dry ingredients. Then I'll combine it with the wet ingredients until a uniform, beautiful, fluffy cake mixture is obtained. The only difference is that when you are making cake, the mixture should be a little lighter or less heavier than having the butter for the donuts. When all the dry ingredients have been introduced into the mixture, I will add in 60 grams of full cream milk and then mix it with the rest of the mixture. Now I'll divide the butter among 2 bowls, that is one in the mixing bowl and then the other half in another mixing bowl. And then I'll add in the cocoa powder, combine that together to make a chocolate version of this batter. Now I'll scoop both batters into a piping bag and then set them aside. At this point, I'll preheat the donut machine for 2 minutes. Then I'll start piping the donuts into the machine rings as seen in the video being displayed. And then I'll cover it for 3 minutes. And here it depends on the machine you are using and the time it can cook the donuts or bake them nicely. So I'll pipe the vanilla and then the chocolate, and at some point I'll be making a mix of both, that is half vanilla and half chocolate. When it is halfway done, I'll turn it over or flip it onto the other side to cook thoroughly as well. And this is our donuts recipe. A very simple recipe at that. Try out this recipe at home, or you can place an order for us to deliver on this beautiful and tasty treat for you. Just look at how beautiful these donuts look. I made sure that none of them got burnt, and this is how it looks from the chocolate to the vanilla and to the mix of the chocolate and vanilla. How beautiful this is. And they also taste great. I'm telling you, it tastes so nice. So this is an upgraded version of our first ever donut recipe that was posted on the channel a year ago. This is much airier, fluffier and delicious. I made these donuts for an order for a friend's birthday. So this is how I packaged it. I placed on some food gloves and then decided to package them accordingly, from the vanilla to the chocolate and then to the mixed versions in between. And after that, this was the final look of the packaged donuts. So I'll cover it with the transparent covering at the top and then fold the sides of the aluminum bowl onto it to close it nicely. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.